Hi, I'm Andrew, and I wanted to quickly walk through how to log in with an NFT. So this is the repo that's open source. Log in with your NFT. Once you start it up, it'll fire up on localhost 3000. You can quickly connect your wallet. That'll bring up this MetaMask notification to connect. So you'll click Next, Connect. Once it's connected, you can see my wallet address here. You can optionally put in a contract address to validate again. So basically, we're going to go out, we're going to fetch all of the NFTs that this wallet owns, and then we can filter based on which contracts you care about. And the way that we do this is I'll show you, we're going to fetch my NFTs. This will bring up a signature request. So you can actually change this message to be whatever you want. You could put it in here. Once we sign this, then it's going to go out to the API, validate this signature. And from this signature, we'll kind of like parse out the wallet address. That's how we prove that this person asking this question of like, show me the NFTs that match against this contract owns this wallet. So once I click sign, that's going to be sent to the backend. So here's an example of what one of those requests looks like. Here's the request. So I didn't pass in any contracts. Here's my wallet, and here's the signature. Chain 0x5, that's a testnet network. 0x1 is mainnet, so it's just a testnet. But as you can see, it responded with these NFTs. Here's what one of the NFT requests look like on the back end. When it comes back, you get a ton of information. This is actually querying Alchemy's API to get which NFTs you own. So you'll have to set that up as part of the setup, but it'll return the contract ID, balance, description, and then the metadata, which in this case is stored on IPFS, and that's where I'm pulling inside of this metadata is where you can find the image URI, and that's how I'm loading up these actual images right here. And that's it. Thanks for watching.